Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going through P6 Nanyang Primary School paper. This is a 2023 mid-year one of the practice paper. Okay, practice paper. So two similar pot R and S were placed on a similar size stove. Okay, as shown below, 800 ml of water was poured into pot R, while 600 ml was poured into pot S. So over here we have more water. Here we have less water. Okay, but the size of the stove were the same. Okay, so in this case, the pot in the water in the both pots took the same amount of time to reach the boiling point. So generally, right, if you have more water, right, you will need more heat, okay, to reach the boiling point as compared to the one with less water. Okay, so in this case, right, which of the following could have resulted in this observation? How come they reach the boiling point at the same time? Okay, so basically the question is really asking you, why R has more water yet it can reach 100 degrees at the same time as pot S with less water? Okay, generally if everything is all else being kept equal, that means if they are the same pot, R will take longer time. Generally, R will need more time to reach 100 degrees as compared to S with less water. So therefore, there must be something that was not kept the same in this experiment, or there must be some changes in this experiment that led to R reaching the boiling point at the same time with S. So let's take a look at A. Okay, stove R give out more heat than stove S. This is possible. So if R give out more heat, then the 800 ml of water in pot R will then gain more heat and reach the boiling point faster. So this is possible A. So if A is possible, right, that means the answer can be 1 or 3. Okay. So pot R was a better conductor of heat than S. So in this case, this might be true. Okay, because if the material is a better conductor of heat, then it might have gained heat faster, and it would have boiled at the same time with the one as compared to less water. So this might be true as well. B is true. So you can see A and B is true, right? Then the only answer is only 3. Or at least this should be the way that it should be, since the option is being laid to us. So let's take a look at C. The water in pot R has more heat than the water in pot S at the start. This could be true. That means maybe at the start, right, this could have already start at 50 degrees Celsius. This might have start at 30 degrees Celsius. So in this case, somehow they reach the boiling point at the same time with each other. Okay, this might be true because this information is not presented in the text above. So this is possible. So the water in pot S has a higher temperature before the stove will turn on. This is not true. If the pot S really indeed has a higher temperature, right, then this will reach the boiling point way faster. So imagine this. Let's say the water is at maybe 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, this one is at 30 degrees Celsius. Then of course, pot S will reach boiling point way faster. Okay, because it has less water in and it started at a higher temperature, it would have reached the boiling point way faster than the water in pot. So this is not true if we were to talk about the same observation. So the answer is number 3 for this question. Okay, thank you very much.